Dad should be here by now. Where is he? Dad! Dad! He's not here. We worked all morning. Ugh. Dad promised he'd play.
Wow, this burger is amazing. Best lunch ever.
Just one more bite. I'm so tired.
Let's ask Dad again. Maybe he'll come now.
Sorry, kids. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. I need some rest.
I miss the old dad.
The old dad?
He used to play every weekend. I miss those days.
This can't keep happening. Something needs to change.
The old dad. What happened to me? Today is different. I'm gonna change.
Come on. Just a little farther. I'm already tired? Wow.
He's really trying. Good for you, David.
Just one burger won't hurt. Right?
No. Not this time. Fruits. Vegetables, too.
Dad bought vegetables? Something strange is happening.
This feels better already. Keep going.
Whoa! Almost fell.
Dad is acting different. Very different.
Let's help him succeed. One step at a time.
Just looking. Not ordering.
You got me. Fruit it is.
Heroes eat healthy food. Right, Dad?
Just a quick snack. Nobody will know. Just a few fries. That's not so bad.
No. Not this time.
Keep going. You can do this.
Dad is awake already? That's strange.
Maybe one burger. No one would know. They need me more.
Dad chose fruit? Wow.
You've been trying so hard.
Because I heard Ella.
My kids deserve the old dad. And I'm bringing him back. Remember this place?
Our tree house! Dad is fixing it.
Just like old times.
It's amazing again! Best treehouse ever! Catch me, Dad.
I'm right behind you. Here it comes.
This looks beautiful.
Just like our garden used to.
Incoming! Run!
Hey, oops.
Dad is fun again.
Just like before.
Keep it secret.
Dad can't find out.
What are you two doing?
Nothing.
A trophy? Huh. Are they planning a reward?
Quick, hide it! Dad is coming.
They're working so hard. He has no idea.
Maybe I earned it. I've worked really hard.
Close your eyes, Dad.
No peeking.
Surprise!
Thank you. I missed us too.